Redmi Note 7 Pro and Realme 3 Pro are the devices ruling the budget segment in the market. Samsung launches M10, M20, M30 to compete with the low budget and mid-range budget segment, but still they can't compete that much of level. Now Samsung gets a smartphone which is really gonna compete with the mid-range segment. Yes guys, that is M40. Absolutely, today we're gonna unbox the device. Let's get started. Let's unbox the device. Warranty card, user manual, mobile, 15 watts fast charging supported adapter, Type-C cable and earphone. Look friends, this earphone has a Type-C. Yes guys, this mobile does not have a 3.5mm jack. Let's explore a mobile. This mobile has 6.3-inch TFT display. It does not look like a traditional TFT display, it's upgraded. Let's explain the traditional and the present one. Traditional TFT display has a poor viewing angles, but this one has good viewing angle. When compared with the water drop notch, this punch hole camera looks good. When we watching a video and playing games, it does not disturb at any moment. Hope you noticed this guys. This phone has no earpiece. They introducing the sound casting technology in the budget segment to reduce the bezels more. Due to the technology, entire screen will act as an earpiece, so we can place any place of your ear to hear the sound. At the backside design, it comes with the gradient color. It looks pretty good. Let's talk about the camera. 32 megapixel main camera with f1.7 aperture, 5 megapixel depth sensing camera with 2.2 aperture, and 8 megapixel wide angle camera. This camera can capture 4K video at 30 fps and slow motion at 240 fps, and then hyperlapse. Let's talk about the performance. This phone comes with a 675 processor, which is already used in Redmi Note 7 Pro. It comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB variant, expandable up to 512GB. Let's discuss about the battery. 3500 mAh battery. It's about 15 watts fast charging. This fast charging already given in the box. Final price. This phone comes with 19,990 Indian rupees. Hope you enjoyed this guys. If you'd like the hit the like button and give your comments below, and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get the instant notifications. Thank you.